ISF enforcement and legal penalties. Protect your imports. Hello and welcome to our video on ISF enforcement and legal penalty consequences. As a customs brokerage firm, we understand the importance of complying with import regulations and filing accurate importer security filings, ISFs. In this video, we will explore the potential consequences of non-compliance with ISF requirements and shed light on the legal penalties that can result from such violations. But before we delve into the penalties, let's briefly discuss what ISF is and why it is crucial in international trade. The Importer Security Filing, ISF, is a mandatory filing requirement implemented by U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, to enhance the security of the global supply chain. It requires importers or their agents to submit specific information about the cargo being imported at least 24 hours prior to loading onto a vessel destined for the United States. Now, let's shift our focus to the enforcement and penalty consequences of non-compliance with ISF requirements. Failure to comply with ISF regulations can lead to a range of penalties and legal consequences. These penalties are enforced by CBP to ensure importers and their agents take their responsibilities seriously. One of the most common penalties for non-compliance with ISF requirements is the issuance of liquidated damages. Liquidated damages occur when an importer or their agent fails to submit the ISF in a timely manner or submits an incomplete or inaccurate filing. The liquidated damages amount can vary depending on the severity of the violation but can range from a few $1,000s to tens of thousands of dollars per violation. These penalties are meant to deter non-compliance and compensate CBP for the resources spent on correcting the non-compliant filing. In addition to liquidated damages, non-compliance with ISF regulations can also result in cargo holds and increased scrutiny from CBP. When CBP identifies a non-compliant ISF, they have the authority to place a hold on the cargo, preventing its release until the violation is addressed. This can lead to delays in the delivery of goods, additional storage fees, and negatively impact business operations. Furthermore, repeated non-compliance can trigger CBP to increase scrutiny on future shipments from the same importer, leading to more frequent inspections and potential delays. It is also important to note that intentional or repeated non-compliance with ISF requirements can result in criminal charges and legal action. CBP takes trade security seriously and will not hesitate to pursue legal action against those who intentionally violate ISF regulations. Criminal charges can lead to hefty fines, imprisonment, and long-term negative consequences for the reputation and credibility of the importer or their agent. To avoid the enforcement and legal penalty consequences associated with non-compliance, it is crucial for importers and their agents to prioritize ISF compliance. This can be achieved by partnering with a knowledgeable customs brokerage firm that understands the intricacies of ISF filing and can ensure accurate and timely submissions. Working with a customs broker offers the expertise needed to navigate the complex regulations and mitigate the risk of penalties and legal consequences. In conclusion, the enforcement and legal penalty consequences of non-compliance with ISF requirements can have a significant impact on importers and their agents. The issuance of liquidated damages, cargo holds, increased scrutiny, and potential criminal charges are all serious consequences that can result from failure to comply. It is essential for importers and their agents to prioritize ISF compliance and work with experienced customs brokerage firms to avoid these penalties and ensure smooth import operations. Thank you for watching this video. If you found the information helpful, please stay tuned for more videos on customs brokerage, customs bonds, and international trade. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our upcoming videos.